Welcome to Lingua Latina Chapter 13, Lesson 1, Exercises. Here we have a vocab exercise with the ordinal numbers, counting in order, primus, secundus, tertius, etc., first, second, third. And we have to match them up, case, number, gender, with our nouns. So, going through the months of the year. So we need the first month, and it is Januarius. Januarius mensis primus est. Primus, masculine, because mensis is a masculine noun. So then we have Februarius as the second month. Februarius mensis secundus. And the third month, Martius mensis tertius. Okay, so go on through quartus, quintus, sextus, etc. and match them up with the months. Let's try exercise number 2. Vocab exercise. Remember to use the online flashcards. Sometimes those flashcards could be useful even before you start a chapter to get a preview of the vocab, maybe memorize it before you go through, make the chapter go much more smoothly, to have an overview of what you're going to see. But then at the end and during, always be listening to the margin notes, which I have for you online, and be studying the margin notes so that you understand them backward and forward before you try the pensa for sure. And you can be doing that while you're doing the exercises as well. So we have something dividitur in duodecim menses. Something is divided into 12 months. It is the annus. The year is divided into 12 months. Januarius est primus, though it's the first what of the year? Yes, mensis. And December est mensis. December is what month of the year? It is, I was trying to do a decimus because it's the 12th month, but here we want the last month. So which word means last there? Postremus. Okay, so after you've done these, and when you're preparing for the pensa, you should be able to go through this list and give an English equivalent for each one of these words. So when you see aequus, you say equal, annus, year, dies, day, dimidius, half, ducenti, 200, and be able to do that for each word. And if you can't, that means you need to work on the vocab a little more. Let's look at exercise 3. Quote menses sunt in anno. How many months are there in the year? Well, we know that there are duodecim menses in anno. So in anno duodecim menses sunt. In anno sunt duodecim menses. Bene. 2. Qui mensis anni primus est. What month of the year is first? Well, we just read it, that Januarius est primus mensis. There it is. Januarius est mensis anni primus is the first of the year. And quis est mensis anni postremus? What is the last month of the year? Mensis postremus est December. Okay, so let's try exercise 4, the last one. Okay, this is another lesson on syntax. We have in the margin we see the accusativus temporis, the accusative of time. When you're giving a duration of time, how long something takes, you're going to be doing it for such and such a period of time, you put it in the accusative. And it's called the accusative of time, a special use of the accusative, besides direct object. So here we have Julia 2 horas dormit. Julia sleeps for 2 hours. There's no word for 4, but the accusative tells us it's for 2 hours. So here we have homo sanus, a healthy man, is able to live, we want for 100 years. So centum annos. Okay, buona fortuna on the rest of those exercises, and I'll see you in lesson 2.